Hello, I'm Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on data science. Section Data Science Tools and Softwares. Without proper tools and softwares, even a highly skilled professional can do anything. So the tools are important. The right tools for the right job are important. We're going to cover some important tools and softwares used in data science and Gartner Magic Quadrant for data quality tools. We need to have the tools and the programming language skills like Python and R for extracting, manipulating, preprocessing, and generating predictions out of data. The data may be a few gigabytes to petabytes of data. The data scientists are responsible for analyzing such huge amounts of unstructured and structured data. One tool may not fit for all the requirements. There are some popular tools, and data scientists must be ready to learn any tool that suits a specific problem. Every organization may have certain tools customized for them, and the data scientist must be familiar with them. Handling data science job is a continuous process, but however, a specific target, a specific goal can be split into projects, split into batches, and calling them as projects. And each project will have a specific beginning and end. Any data science project will start with data collection, that is collecting relevant structured and unstructured data. Data processing. The available data may not be readily usable, and cleaning and mining data is required before using it. That is how we process the data to be used in the next stage. The next stage is exploring data for insights. We have the data and we got some insights, and we have to further analyze the insights and the data altogether. Out of data analysis, we'll come out with the outputs. We need to understand the output and make predictions for the management. Okay, now we have the analysis report ready to be distributed. This is the purpose of project. This is most important step. Communication of the analysis results to the right business stakeholders. That's for taking important decisions. With this, the data science project lifecycle ends and another task is taken and followed all these steps. Coming to the usage of tools, many tools like KNIME can handle more than one stage in the data science lifecycle. We'll see that part while taking demo on the tools. Let us say we are a team of data scientists and have a data like a hill. Our target is to dig the data and find the insights. So it is more about the data, that is the hill, and the team may use any tools they like which are appropriate for this specific job. Generally, organizations might have acquired one or the other data science tools, and you always keep on trying to explore other tools if they are more appropriate or more suitable to your kind of job. Of course, for small tasks, Microsoft Excel is always handy, and everyone might have used this to begin with the data science. For handling large data, learn R and Python languages and get exposure on other tools. These are some of the tools and softwares that are used in the data science. For analysis, you use R, Pandas, Python and Julia. Data warehousing, structured and unstructured, using MySQL, Hive, Pig, Impala and Spark, and big data. Data visualization, you can use Tableau, KNIME, D3.js, Matplotlib, ggplot, and others. Machine learning, Scikit-learn, it is machine learning in Python, Spark using MLlib, KNIME, RapidMiner, etc. Many of these tools have multiple features and extensions, and they can be customized for a specific purpose. Here is the list of data science and machine learning tools and softwares. The list is not exhaustive, but most popular tools are listed here. Apache MXNet, Apache Spark, TensorFlow, Deep Learning Toolbox, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, and others. This is continued from the previous page. IBM Watson, Sas, KNIME, Matlab, Matplotlib, Apache Giraffe, Tableau, RapidMiner, Scikit-learn, and all these. Some more listed here. This is Gartner's Magic Quadrant for data quality tools. The leaders in this Magic Quadrant are Informatica, SAP, IBM, SAS, Talent, Oracle, SyncSort. This is a Magic Quadrant for data science and machine learning platforms. The leaders in this segment are RapidMiner, Tableau Software, KNIME, and SAS. As per the company's progress in their respective platforms, this quadrant keeps on changing. You may watch the latest Magic Quadrant for the latest leaders, challengers, niche players, and visionaries. Let's begin with SAS. This is a web page of Sas Analytic Software and Solutions. SAS software suite developed by SAS Institute for Advanced Analytics, Business Intelligence, Data Management, and Predictive Analytics. You can try SAS for free. These are all the SAS products, technology, and solutions. You can explore and take a demo on what you are looking for. SAS is one of the leader in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant. SAS can mine, alter, manage, and retrieve data from a variety of sources and perform statistical analysis on it. It's all in one package you can call. SAS provides better graphical outputs for management and executive users, and also provides more advanced options through SAS language. KNIME is free and open source under GNU GPL for data analytics, reporting, and integration platform. SAS is a commercial offering, and KNIME can be considered as SAS alternative. KNIME integrates various components for machine learning and data mining through its modular data pipelining concept. It has a better GUI and uses JDBC, allows assembly of nodes, blending different data sources, including preprocessing, that is ETL, modeling, data analysis, and visualization with easy drag and drop and very minimal programming. This is KNIME Analytics platform. We'll explore this tool in a session on KNIME. Matrix Laboratory, Matlab, is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and proprietary programming language. It's developed by MathWorks. Matlab allows matrix manipulations, plotting of functions and data, implementation of algorithms, creation of user interfaces, and interfacing with programs written in other languages. This is MathWorks Matlab web page. It gives beautiful graphs and plotting. This is proprietary product. You can try the product and explore the features. Matplotlib is a plotting library for the Python and its extension NumPy. It provides an object-oriented API for embedding plots into applications using general-purpose GUI tools. Matplotlib is open source alternative for matrix laboratories Matlab. PyPlot is a Matplotlib module which provides Matlab-like interface. SciPy makes use of Matplotlib. PyLab interface is designed to resemble that of Matlab. Deep Learning Toolkit is also from MathWorks. It was formerly known as Neural Network Toolbox. It provides a framework for designing and implementing deep neural networks with algorithms, pre-trained models, and apps. You can use this tool for artificial neural networks and deep learning. These are the products and services from MathWorks. Explore this site. Something may be interesting and useful to you. Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit (CNTK) is a deep learning framework developed by Microsoft Research. It describes neural networks as a series of computational steps via a directed graph. You can use this toolkit for deep learning and artificial neural networks. Apache Spark is open source distributed general purpose cluster computing framework. Apache Spark can be used for large scale data processing, and it's much faster compared to the Hadoop. We'll be taking a tour of Apache Spark in the Apache Spark session. BigML is another widely used data science tool. Machine learning made beautifully simple for everyone. It's a good punchline. It's a proprietary product and start exploring that may be useful for your organization. D3.js or simply D3 is for data-driven documents. D3 is a JavaScript library for producing dynamic and interactive data visualizations in the web browsers. It makes use of widely implemented scalable vector graphics (SVG), HTML5, CSS standards, that is cascading style sheets. This is D3 web page. You can produce all these sorts of graphics. Very interesting and very creative. You can produce box plots, bubble charts, bullet charts, card diagram, circle packing, and all these. Really nice browser-based visualizations. We'll cover this when we take a demo on D3. Stats models is Python module that provides classes and functions for the estimation of many different statistical models. NetworkX is Python library for studying graphs and networks. NetworkX is free software released under BSD new license. Microsoft Excel. This is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Data science, manipulating the data, starts from here. It features calculations, formulas, graphic tools, pivot tables, and you can create macros for applications. Excel is part of Microsoft Office suite of software and Office 365. No doubt, Excel is most widely used basic data analysis tool. SNAP is Stanford Network Analysis Project. Snap.py is Python interface for Snap, which provides performance benefits of Snap combined with flexibility of Python. R language. R language is next to Python and must-learn programming language for data scientists. R language is free software released under GNU GPL for statistical computing. R language is widely used by statisticians and data analysts. By default, R has command line interface, and there are graphical user interfaces like RStudio, which is an integrated development environment (IDE). Anaconda has RStudio built in for programming in R. Julia is another listed language, but it is growing as competitive language to R. It's a healthy competition. Julia is programming language designed for high performance numerical analysis and computational science. IDEs are available to use Julia with integrated tools. ggplot2 is data visualization package for R language. ggplot2 is licensed under GNU GPL and one of the most popular R packages. We will cover more about this in demo session. Apache Giraffe is an interactive graph processing system built for high scalability. Facebook uses Giraffe to analyze social graph formed by users and their connections. Tableau Software is most popular in the commercial category. Tableau is interactive data visualization software focused on business intelligence. These are the Tableau products: Tableau Desktop, Prep, Server, Online, and these others. These products can query relational databases, cloud databases, spreadsheets, and many other sources to generate graph-type data visualizations. In 2019, Salesforce acquired Tableau. You can generate excellent reports using Tableau software. We'll cover that in Tableau demo. DataTux is best online platform for machine learning. Upload data, add your team, and build training and evaluation datasets as quickly as possible. This is a proprietary product. Try a demo and go for it if it suits your requirements. Talent is a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for data quality tools. It stands next to SAS and is most powerful data science platform. So far we took the names of some popular data science tools and we'll explore some of these tools along with the examples to dive into the practical world of data science. Thanks for watching.